After release of ChatGPT, within 5 months, Google came up with Google BARD, which is the response to ChatGPT. So this is another LLM model all of us can use, and it's available for free now. So let me show you how can you use Google BARD and what are the features available as of date. So if I open any of the web browser and there I just type bard.google.com/chat, I just copied it and I'm just pasting it here and he hit enter, then this BARD console will open. And there, let me show you what are the options available. So couple of things I already tried. So you can see this in the recent history, all those things are showing that what are the things I have tried. So this is the console of Google BARD. Now in the left pane, if you click on this particular main menu, it will hide that left pane. Another click, it will come up. Now in the right side, one thing is there, you need to log in using your Google ID. So first time if you are login, it will prompt you for that. And then you need to log in using your Google ID. Then there are certain options available. You are greeted with a hello screen here, and there are certain options like how can you use Google BARD and what are the prompts. So, and this is one of the very good example. Let me show you why I'm telling that this is good. If you see here, it's saying that understand, create or explore, and under that there are certain options available. If I click on interview question, I'm just clicking on that. You can see it's generating one prompt, one full prompt on this particular topic, that I'm interviewing for a job as this particular job role. You can replace this thing, and wherever in case you are looking for certain answers, it's asking that how it can help to prepare you. So this is one option. So you are just clicking one option here and it's creating a full prompt so that you can understand how prompting works here and what are the structure and what are the details you should provide to get a right answer. So similar way, you can click on any other option and it will generate another prompt. Now, if you are not happy with any of this particular option, you can click on this particular refresh button and it will regenerate the different ideas. So this is one very good thing. So as a starting point, if you want to know more details, this will be really helpful. So this is one part. Now second, let me show you one thing, that is extension. Within ChatGPT free version, extensions or any other additional features are not available. But Google BARD is completely free as of date, and these extensions are very, very useful. Let me show you why I'm telling that. If you click on extensions, there are 5 extensions available as of date. This is a recording date of 9 January 2024, and these are the options available. One good thing is you can see Google Flights, hotels, maps are there. If you click this particular toggle bar and if you turn it on, I already kept it on. What it does, it can read your emails from your Gmail account and it can give you certain very, very good responses. I'll show you one example here. It can also check all the documents available within your Google Drive, and from there it will be able to fetch certain details, whatever you are looking for. Second thing is YouTube. Now Google BARD supports YouTube Vision. What it is, that it can directly analyze a video scene by scene and it can give you certain details. I'll also show you certain options there. So these are two very rich functions what is available within Google BARD, which is not available anywhere else as of date. And within the Google ecosystem, it's able to dig into all those emails and data, and then it's able to give you required details. This is extension I talked about. This is the BARD activity, whatever you have done, what are the commands you are executing, what are the prompt you are giving, all those details are there. If you see whatever I have used, it's available there. It can be turned off, it can be turned on. You can also clear and delete all of your queries if you want to clean up, or if you have any certain other requirements. If I go to settings, there are a few things. One is the use light theme or dark theme. As per your wish, you can use it. Another second option is respond once complete. Now, if I go to a new chat and there, if I just maybe paste one of the prompt, I'm looking for details about OpenAI organization. Can you please give me required details? And if I hit enter, you can see it started working. And after that, it will start typing, so that you can see this is whenever it's working, it's showing you on the go. This is happening as respond once complete is not turned on. So that's why you can see when it's working on the fly, it's giving you those details. But if I turn this particular option on, then response will show once they are complete. So now if I give the same prompt again and hit enter, you'll be able to see it's working. It's not showing you the progress. Once the entire response will be generated. It gave me in one shot. So that's the difference. It's not much. Now another thing is your public links. Now this is one very important thing which is again not available in maybe ChatGPT or any other tools. You have already inquired something, right? And you want to share this particular details with maybe one of your colleague or any of your friend. You can click here on the share and export and then click on share. What it will do, it will give you certain options that you want to export the entire this prompt and response or the entire chat. If I just select this particular prompt and response and then I click on create a public link, it will create a public link which can be shared. So if I just copy and share, and then someone else will be able to use it. So if I just go and paste here, I'll be able to see that particular public link which has been shared. So you can see the other guy, you will be able to see this particular details, and that person also will be able to continue this particular chat in case he needs to maybe know more, and with some follow-up questions that person also will be able to continue from there. So this is another very good feature available within Google BARD which you can use. Now coming back, so these are the options available here. Now couple of more things which are very important here. If you see, after I got the response from my prompt, here there is an option for the modify response, which is I need a shorter answer, longer answer or simpler. Now for ChatGPT, you need to write, okay, I need a simple version of this particular text as another follow-up prompt. But here you just click on this particular option, simpler, and it will come up with a simple answer. So this is another very good feature Google BARD added. You can see it's now created one simple option. Earlier it was very detailed with all those links, photos, everything. Now it came up with a simple answer. Now similar way you can do it. These options are there to give the feedback that if BARD is working properly or not, because you can see BARD is still under experiment and it's not in the live or production yet. So currently it's learning from our usage also. Another very good feature which is not available anywhere else, that is you can double check this particular response using a parallel Google search. If I click on that, it's searching on Google and it will give you those responses. Sometimes all these LLM models sometimes hallucinate, and in case it's not able to find out something, it come up with a created answer. So those are maybe areas all LLM models are improving on, and but here it's a very good option available. If you see, it already checked and all these green marked are currently validated by a parallel Google search that these are the right facts. And it's not something, it's a made up answer by this particular LLM model. And you can see it also shared those links using which you can go and validate. So this is another very good feature available within Google BARD to revalidate the responses using a parallel Google search. Now let me show you another option here which is available in the paid version of ChatGPT. That is, you can upload any of the image and you can ask for certain responses. I took a screenshot of current Microsoft stock price and this is the picture all about. And if I click on open and let me write this particular prompt here, please check this image and give me a summary. And if I hit enter, what it will do, it will check this particular image which I added. Now let's see how it comes up with its responses. Now you can see it already read that and it came up with the option that is it's a Microsoft stock. And, it gave some certain details. Now let me give it a more longer details if I ask for, if I click on this particular option. So it will regenerate this entire thing. It will analyze the image and it will come up with a more detailed response. Let's see how it responds. You can see this now the tone has been changed and now some additional details has been provided. So this is the way you can also analyze any of the image and this LLM model can read those and give you certain details also. So this is one feature available again, which is not available in the free version of ChatGPT. I'm going to publish another video where I'll compare all these three main LLM models available, ChatGPT, Google BARD and Microsoft Copilot head on as a comparison that what are the things, because certain tool does certain things better than other. So, and you'll be able to take a better call that once you'll see that particular video. Now I talked about the extension where it can read our emails and it can give certain responses. So let me write one prompt here. So what I've done, I wrote how many emails I received today, and there is one option. If you just type at, and it will give you certain options, those extensions it will list down, and if you click on this particular option of Gmail, then it will go and check your Gmail. Sometimes you don't need to specify, it will automatically go, but I'm just showing you the option so that you can also invoke all those extensions from your prompt itself. So let me hit enter. You can see it's accessing my emails, and currently this is working with the Google Workspace as an extension, and it's trying to generate, and now it will come up with the answer. Now you can see I found 15 emails in your inbox today. So certain 15 emails came, and it also started listing those particular emails. Now if I give a prompt that there email which is news. Now what it will do, it will check all of my emails. Maybe it will find out in case some payments are due and dates are there. It will come up with those kind of responses that in case any of the emails are near to due date where my attention is required. So this will be very, very helpful if you just need to visualize that what are the ways you will be able to use this particular feature. It will come up with those options. Now it came up with certain responses that where certain payments are due in certain dates. So it faced those particular responses. Okay, so this is the way. Now if I clear this particular chat, and if I go again, and I talked about YouTube vision also. So if I ask anything that now, if I give this particular prompt, give me list of top 5 productivity videos from YouTube. Just take a note, I have not mentioned that at signed and then not selected the YouTube. I just wrote YouTube. Let's see if it can fetch that particular extension automatically. Now you can see it started working on it, and then it should be able to invoke YouTube. Yes, you can see it's now invoking YouTube as an extension. It's now listed down those videos. Now one good thing is, considering YouTube is Google product, in this console itself it listed down those videos. Now only problem is I asked for 5, it gave me 2. So that may be one area it can improve. We can also ask a follow-up prompt and ask for those 5 videos. But one good thing is you can directly click here and watch this particular video. You don't need to go to YouTube. I'm in process to record another video where I'm going to detail about YouTube vision related feature in a more detailed way so that you can understand it better. Once the video will be published, I'll add the links in the description below. So this is how you can use Google BARD, and I think you will be able to utilize certain features which we talked about in this particular video. I recorded another video if you want to learn how to use Microsoft Copilot, which is another LLM model, and this time it's from Microsoft. Please check out this particular video.